Good day, good day, good day. We have got all that dumped, disposed of, recycled, whatever you want to call it. We are on day 5 of this project. Today, we got the ladder up here. It'll be this a little bit along here. And Nicholas has already started on this side. They don't have much. Started today, picking us up. This is what we have to do. Day 5. We should be complete with the demo today. Basically, clean up from here around to the front, the breezeway, and disposed of to the dump trailer. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for hanging out. Watching this beautiful, and I don't know if y'all seen it. I'll show you. It's like all this stucco stuff. Some of those windows, man, they have come a long way, even in 24 hours. We didn't get here early this morning, but look, brand new windows. Brand new windows, brand new stucco. Man, they're knocking it out. Everything's coming full circle. Beautiful. So this had wood on it, like just like that wood right there. Yesterday, it was all blocked up. But all these contractors coming together. All right, he's over there. He's gonna work around here behind these. Gonna work here. We are gonna do the breezeway. We're gonna protect these. We're gonna actually take these cast iron, I think they're cast iron. We're gonna put them up here and we're gonna put some stuff over it. So everything that's falling is not falling on these air ducts. All right, y'all, hang out. Watch us knock it out. We appreciate y'all watching. All right, folks. Look at him. It's brutal. It's a tough one today. Really hot. A little bit harder than expected. We got up there. Got about halfway on the archway. And we're going to have to bring the taller ladder tomorrow, hopefully. But got all in there. It's not like it's a lot, it's just not easy to get at. And we're trying to protect the ducting so stuff's not falling on it. But we only got about 15 minutes left of our 3-hour day here. We got stuff to do, dinner to eat, showers to take, homework to do after a full day's work and extra work. So we did get these trees cut. And we did get that little piece gone there. So these trees were cut here. We got everything down and the debris removed from there. And he's working around this. Like I said, we only got 15 minutes. We're just tightening up, getting everything together. I have to go dump this load first thing in the morning because I have a tree debris removal. Climbers called me and they're bringing it down first thing in the morning. And I have to load it out, take a load. But as you see, this is all we got today. We didn't even come back here. We just got a couple things. But, oh look, I can hear. There's the base over there. I see the helicopter. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Beautiful, huh? But it's work today, folks. This one is proven to be a tough one. That archway. Yeah. All this stuff was tough, but different tough. All right, y'all. You've seen us. This is, I think it's day 4. Maybe it's day 5. I don't know. I forgot. But continuing on for the paver / stone removal. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good evening. Thanks for watching. All right, y'all. They're back on site. Hopefully, final day. We got to get this archway done today. We got halfway the archway breezeway portion, but he's working this way. And then we're gonna have to get up here. We're gonna have to make some boards, make them stationary and straight so we can put the ladder up high enough so we ain't reaching. But we already picked up all the stuff here. We picked up the stuff on the side of the house and the back. If I'm correct, this is day 5. We will be coming back and just bumping some of them little pieces off. Cleaned out everything behind all this. Everything behind here is all cleaned up. Cleaned up all these. Remember, them were on here in the morning. I just forgot to video right at the beginning. So, but we're all picked up here. We have a couple that we have to do here. We'll come back and get them. But for the most part, it's the breezeway, archway, and just the couple extra few that we missed. Like stuff like this. Let's see if y'all can see what I'm talking about. Them little pieces, we're gonna come on and chip them off. So, all right. We'll get out here, get to knocking this breezeway and this archway out, and we'll go from there. Let's see where we're at. All right, stay tuned. We're at the 2-hour mark. Going back up, we're now on the breezeway, top of the breezeway, the archway of the breezeway. And we might not be able to get it. We're maxing out the ladder, 16 foot. So we shall see here in just a second. We have the other guy over here. He's cleaning out all the edges. Cleaning out all the edges. Just to make sure we get like these couple bricks right here we gotta get. And cleaning all that. Got another one right there. But he's cleaning it out all the way around. Just like that. You can tell we have a couple more to hit. But whenever he's done with the breezeway, we can go straight on around and be ready. All right, watch us finish up this breezeway. Only got about an hour and a half, hour to go. So here we go. All right, y'all. We got as high as we could safely. We don't have a 20-foot ladder, so we opted not. This is our little rig. We were trying to protect this, so this is what they're using for stucco. We just had it sitting here, holding stuff down, holding that up so we ain't hitting on the duct. But and we actually screwed down a board just in case the ladder decided it wanted to slide. He's now going around and getting the pieces that he missed. So we got to hook up about 3 long extension cords. We're going around the house. He just knocked them ones out that were right there. You can see right there. He's gonna pick up behind him. And you can see like that big rock was big, sometimes we can't get at all of them. But we're gonna call this a wrap because all we're gonna do is run around the house and throw a little bit away. Here's our disposal for the day. Yep, that's about it, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe if y'all like this type of content. We're doing a lot of demo right now. We're gonna be back at this house because that bottom section has to go out to the dock. This section here has to go back to whatever Lowe's or Home Depot. It's some kind of hardy board, but I had told y'all it was too thin. It's supposed to be thick. It's 3.5 inch, supposed to be 5 inch. So, all right, y'all. This is Nick with Loaded Down Junk Removal. We're out of Jacksonville, Florida, and today we are servicing San Marco, San Jose area. Y'all have a good one.